everybody, I have an announcement that I want to share with you guys. I have been working on my new cooking brand, and it's called She Is a Cook by myself, Tia Marie Arnold. So I want to invite you to our new website, which is www.sheisacook.com, and on there you can find recipes and products when they come out, and videos. And speaking of videos, I also have a new YouTube channel called She Is a Cook, where I will be releasing videos of me cooking in the kitchen. This brand and the purpose of this brand is to encourage women, young and old, to find their inner cook, to be creative in the kitchen, and to give you some assistance, some instructions, some recipes. You know, we can all just cook together. So go to the YouTube channel and subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when new videos come out. And if you're on Facebook, just like the page, well, my page, comment, share, be supportive if you want to. So anyway, come on by the website, check out the YouTube page. Oh, and before you go, check out this video. Hi, I'm Tia Marie Arnold, and this is my new cooking show, which is called She Is a Cook, because I am a cook, and I am a very good one.